Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this Eid inspired makeup look. I know a lot of my followers are Muslims, so this one is for you all, and also early Eid Mubarak to anyone who is celebrating. ये look create करना बहुत ज़्यादा simple है. You can definitely switch up the lips and the eye makeup is very neutral, so it can go with any outfit. So let's just stop talking and let's get into the video. तो यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ CeraVe moisturizing cream and I'm moisturizing my skin really well. Lately because of the weather my skin has become really dry, तो मुझे moisturizing की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. और यहाँ पर मैं अच्छे से moisturize करने के बाद move करूँगी straight with primer because my eyebrows are already done. और यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ e.l.f. mattifying pore filling primer. Here I took way too much product and you really don't need that much. A little bit goes a really long way. अगर आपके large pores हैं, this primer is amazing. You need this in your life. ये बहुत ज़्यादा skin को smooth कर देता है, सारे large pores को हटा देता है और बहुत ही smooth canvas दे देता है before applying your foundation. यहाँ पर प्राइमर की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा हो गई थी तो इसलिए मैंने अपने नेक पर भी लगा दिया था, बट अगर आपकी नेक पर भी फाइन लाइंस होते हैं तो हमेशा वहाँ पर भी प्राइमर यूज़ करा करें क्योंकि वो फाइन लाइंस को रिड्यूस दिखाने में हेल्प करता है. Next today I'm actually going to be doing color correcting and I'm going to be using NARS color corrector. This is actually a concealer पर मैं इसको as a color corrector यूज़ करती हूँ. I'm using the shade Honey here maybe and just applying it on my eyes. और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी अब डिफरेंस कि कलर करेक्शन के साथ आईज पर कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है. जहाँ पर भी पिगमेंटेशन होती है कितनी ज़्यादा कम लगती है. इवन बिफोर अप्लाइंग योर फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर, color correction really helps. Now the trick here is to use a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades darker from your skin. जब आप darker concealer use करोगे अपने under eyes पर, जो pigmentation है उससे वो automatically reduce दिखाएगा. जब आप इसके ऊपर एक light concealer apply करोगे या foundation apply करोगे, automatically जो आपके अंडर आइज़ पे डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, जो भी है पिगमेंटेशन है, वो सब हाइड हो जाएगा. ये ट्रिक सिर्फ डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए नहीं बल्कि फेस पर जो डार्क स्पॉट्स होते हैं, नेक पर पिगमेंटेशन, हर जगह के लिए काम करता है. सो डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ शॉट. नेक्स्ट फॉर माई फाउंडेशन टुडे आई एम यूजिंग दी हुडा ब्यूटी फॉर फिल्टर फाउंडेशन एंड ऑल्सो दी लॉरियल इनफैलिबल फाउंडेशन. The reason why I'm using two foundations because my skin is very dry and I really love the coverage of Huda Beauty foundation. The Huda Beauty one is going to give me coverage and the Infallible one is going to give me more luminous glow. Next, to get some extra coverage, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation first to set my base and also just to cover up the areas where I want some extra coverage. Now to set my base in place, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent and setting my entire face with this. Now the reason why I'm using so much powder, I know you guys are like कितना पाउडर यूज़ करना है, बट इट इज़ बिकॉज हमें बार बार अपना फेस फिर बाद में टचअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी योर मेकअप फॉर 12 आवर्स. इट्स नॉट बजिंग एनीवेयर. स्किन भी ऑयली नहीं होगी और आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ लगेगी. Next for my eye makeup today, I'm using the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Sticks. These are amazing. This was my first time trying them out and I am so impressed. Here I'm using the shade Cobblestone first and applying it on my crease, blending it with a brush. It was so easy to blend. Literally, you can even blend it with your fingers. That's how easy it was to blend. Next, I'm going to be using a palette that is very similar to the Huda Beauty palette, but it is not the Huda Beauty palette. It's kind of like a dupe to it. I'm going to leave the details of this palette in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Taking that top right corner shade and मैं इसको अपने crease पर apply कर रही हूँ just to give it a little bit of warmth. आइज पर भी मैं सेम करूँगी, बस वही सेम शेड अपनी क्रीज पर लगाऊंगी और उसे अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंड करूँगी. ब्लेंडिंग इज़ always key guys, so do make sure that you focus on your blending. Next here I'm taking another shade of the Caviar Stick in the shade Metallic Taupe, and this was such a beautiful shade, you guys. This is more of like a champagne kind of shade. I don't know why it says taupe because it was more of a champagne kind of a shade and it was so blingy. The camera is definitely not doing the justice on how beautiful this color was. It was actually really metallic in person. With the help of a flat angled brush, I'm just patting the color in and then Taking this very beautiful shimmery champagne shade from the same dupe palette and then applying it on my lid. You actually don't need a shadow to set the caviar sticks, but I am just switching the colors up a little bit, so that's why I'm using some shades on top, but you don't really have to use any kind of shadows on top because these are not gonna budge anywhere. Next, I'm taking this darker brown shade from the caviar stick which is called Cocoa and मैं इसको बस अपने outer corners पर apply कर रही हूँ just to give some depth to the eyes. This is just कि हमारी eyes ज़्यादा flat ना लगे and once we apply our eyeliner it's just gonna look like we have put on so much efforts to do this look, and in fact this look is actually really simple. Taking the same metallic taupe shade, I'm applying it in my inner corners just to give it a little bit of pop, and also I'm going to apply the same shade on my brow bone. ब्राउ बोन और इनर कॉर्नर्स को हमेशा हाईलाइट करने से हमारी आई मेकअप को फाइनल टचअप मिलता है और हमारी आई मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल लुक लगती है। तो हमेशा ये स्टेप कभी भी स्किप मत करना, या तो मैट शेड या फिर शिमरी शेड हमेशा अपने इनर कॉर्नर्स और आईब्रो बोन पर लगाना। नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग दी आईलियर लाइन एंड लैश ग्लू, और यहाँ पर जो मैंने किया आप कभी मत करना क्योंकि यहाँ पर मैंने अपने बेस को सारा ख़राब कर दिया है और यहाँ पर मेरे फेस पर सारे आईलैश ग्लू के स्प्लैशेस लग गए थे। सो मैंने उसको ड्राई होने के लिए छोड़ दिया था ताकि मैं बाद में उसको रिमूव कर सकूँ, और थैंक गॉड हो गया अच्छे से। नाउ द रीज़न वाई एम यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ बिकॉज ये लाइनर भी है और एक लैश ग्लू भी है, तो इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग क्योंकि हमें फिर उसके बाद लैशेस पर ग्लू लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम इस पर लैशेस स्टिक कर सकते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी इजी। तो अगर आपने अभी तक इसमें इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया, अब तो बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स लॉन्च करी हैं बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक अब लैशेस को स्टिक कर देता है और लैशेस मूव नहीं होती। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो मैं लाइनर को स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्मॉल सेक्शंस में लगा रही हूँ ताकि एक बहुत ही पतली सी लाइन बना सकूँ मैं, और आगे से भी मैं एक बहुत ही लंबी और पतली लाइन खींच रही हूँ। इससे हमारी आइज़ को एक बहुत ही इलोंगेटेड लुक मिलती है, और जब हम लैशेज़ अप्लाई करेंगे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग लुक आती है लैशेज़ की। तो लैशेज़ जो मैं आज यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो बाहर से थोड़ी विस्पी हैं, आगे से थोड़ी लेंथ से छोटी हैं, तो वो आइज़ को एक बहुत ही अच्छा इफ़ेक्ट देता है और ये मेरी फेवरेट लैशेज़ हैं। So the lashes today I'm using is called the Allure London Fox Mink lashes in the style Eternity. Ever since I've started using these lashes, I've not looked back. I think this looks the best on my eyes, and even without any liner, I think this just looks so amazing. It's very easy to apply as well. जब भी आप फेक लैशेज़ लगाती हो हमेशा मेक श्योर करो कि आप अपनी रियल लैशेज़ के साथ उसे पिंच करो। जब आप लैशेज़ को साथ में पिंच करते हो वो ज़्यादा टाइम तक इन प्लेस रहती है और बज नहीं होती, और जब कॉर्नर से जैसे लैशेज़ निकल जाती हैं वैसे नहीं होता। Taking the cocoa shade from the caviar stick, applying it in my waterline. I'm not going all the way to my inner corner, just on the outer corners in my waterline, and just to finish up the look. Finishing the eye makeup with a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line and moving on with the face now, finally. For my contouring today, I'm using the She Glam palette. It's called the Mystic Contour palette. This was my first time trying out something from Shein, from their makeup collection, and I kid you not, I'm actually really impressed, especially when it comes to the price. You all know Shein is just amazing with their prices. And trust me, they were not playing around when they launched their makeup line. Trust me, this was beautiful to blend. A little bit powdery, but I think it is necessary because you need to blend it out. And for blending, there's a little bit kickback is just normal. But you guys can see how pigmented this was, and I was really impressed with it, especially for the price. It was £4. Definitely worth it, definitely get it. You get a banana shade, you get a contour shades, a warm bronzer, amazing, just go get it. आप देख सकते हो कैसे मैं अपने कॉन्टूर को ड्रैग कर रही हूँ ऑन माई चीक बोन्स जस्ट टू गिव माई cheeks a more plump look. This is a really nice way to make your cheeks accentuate and make them look a little bit more plump, and especially with like Indian outfits, chubby skin, chubby face looks the best, right? Next for my blush, I'm using the MAC Peony Petals. You guys know, never changing my blush, you guys. This is my favorite. And here I'm just toning down my blush a bit. Don't worry. Okay, so you need to stop right now and listen to me because this is the best drugstore highlighter that I've ever tried. Now, you all know I have so many favorite highlighters from the drugstore, but this is one of the best ones that I've tried so far. This is the Revlon Skin Lights collection. This is their new highlight range, and this is like a dupe for the Amrezy highlighter. If you have that or if you missed it, you need to get this one because this is so similar to that one. I did had the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, but unfortunately it broke, and I literally cried when that highlighter broke, you guys, because it was so expensive, and also it was one of my all-time favorite highlighters. But once it broke, I couldn't get it again because it was limited edition. But you need to get this one if you haven't tried it already. And best of all, it is a drugstore, so it's gonna be inexpensive. और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो मुझे स्ट्रगल करते हुए ओपनिंग माय न्यू लिप लाइनर फ्रॉम Primark. I don't know why they make such packagings, you guys. It's so hard to open. If you haven't tried the Primark lip liners, what are you doing? I literally have bought all the shades from them because they are so creamy and they're just for £1, but they are amazing. This is in the shade Vintage Rose. Such a beautiful pink color. First, I was just going to line my lips with this lip liner, but then I switched my mind and decided to just fill up my lips with this lip liner because it complemented so well with my look. So here I'm just filling my lips in, and I'm going to use a liquid lipstick on top. I'm just filling my lips with this ताकि जो हमारे शेड है लिप लाइनर का वो मुझे ज़्यादा स्टैंड आउट करना था, तो इसलिए मैं लिप लाइनर को पहले अच्छे से लगा रही हूँ. And then on top I'm going to use the NYX Professional Shine Loud lipstick in the shade Gold Crusher. This is just so that our lip liner doesn't fade, but it's mostly just the lip liner shade that's showing up. But the NYX liquid lipstick is also a really pretty shade on its own. This also gave a little nice peachy touch, and here is the look completed. I really hope you guys liked this video and learned something different today, and also a very happy Eid to anyone who is celebrating. Eid is something really close to my heart because I started my YouTube channel and my first video was on Eid makeup look, and it's going to be 1 year completed today for my YouTube channel, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for always being there, always supporting me, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit like this video and also show more love and support to my channel, guys. It really motivates me. Doing more contents for you all, and all the outfit details and the makeup details are going to be listed in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.